Welcome to Riverbed Support channel. My name is Shubhankar and today we would be seeing how easy it is to collect logs from a client accelerator running on a Mac OS. Client accelerator is located on top of your menu bar. All you have to do is to click on Riverbed icon and over there you will see all the available options. All the log related options are present under the support tab. So if you want to collect packet captures, you have to go to generate TCP trace. Here you can select how long you want to capture the packets. You can select the time in seconds, minutes, and once selected, hit generate. Now these type of logs are very helpful in troubleshooting traffic related issue. And these TCP traces or TCP dump in simple language are stored locally on your Mac OS and also uploaded to the controller. Once done, you can close the window. Another important log to collect would be system dump. Again, go to support and click generate system dumps. This log will collect system dump including all log and configuration. It will be stored locally and will be uploaded to controller. Click OK once you are done. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.